Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Mauli's Tech Lectures. So from today on our channel we are starting complete Python tutorial series, and in this series this is our very first lecture. In this lecture we will discuss about introduction to Python, and it's our lecture number 1. First we will see what is Python. So Python is an interpreted high-level object-oriented programming language. These all terms we will discuss one by one. First is, what is programming language? Basically, programming means we create certain set of instructions and provide to computer tell that to perform that specific task. And these instructions known as code, which are written in the form of programming language. So through programming language we can communicate with the computer, just like we human use human language to communicate with another person. But computer doesn't understand human language, so to communicate with the computer we use programming language. In simple way we can say programming language is a special kind of language through which we can communicate with the computer, or it's a way to tell the computer what to do and how to do. Then next is interpreter. What is meant by interpreter? How this interpreter works? So interpreter translate and execute the source code line by line. For example, we have 4 lines of code. Line number 1, line number 2, line number 3 and line number 4. These are our 4 lines of code. Then how this interpreter works on these 4 lines of code? So first interpreter execute line number 1. It checks the line number 1 and execute line number 1. Then line number 2. Then line number 3 and line number 4. Means it one by one it checks and execute the codes. But there is an error at line number 3. Then interpreter stops the execution at that point, and it gives the output of these 2 lines. Means interpreter translate and execute the source code line by line, and it stops the execution after getting first error. Then what is high level? High level means human understandable language. This language we human can easily read and write this language. After that, what is meant by object oriented? Object oriented means these programs are write on the basis of class and object. So what is Python? Python is an interpreted high-level object-oriented programming language. Then next is features of Python. What are the features of Python? First is beginner friendly. Then second, easy to learn. This language is easy to learn. Then open source. Next is platform independent. Platform independent means we can run the program on any system like Linux, Mac OS. Then dynamic semantic. Dynamic semantic means Python checks the meaning of your code at runtime, not at while writing it. For example, C equal to 20. Then Python checks behavior of this code at runtime, and it come to know that it's a integer data type. Means it know the behavior of your code at running time. This is dynamic semantic. After that, extensive libraries. Now libraries means it contains pre-written code. It contains the collection of pre-written code, or it has more modules and libraries. Extensive libraries, for example NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib. These all are the libraries. After that, GUI programming support. These all are the features of Python. Next is applications of Python. So these all are the applications of Python. First, data analysis. Second, data visualization. Third, game development. Then desktop application, robotics, artificial intelligence, machine learning. So these all are the applications of Python where application is used. So what we discussed today. First, what is Python? Python is interpreted high-level object-oriented programming language. What is programming language? So through programming language we can communicate with the computer. Then what is interpreter? Interpreter translate and execute the source code, and it stops the execution after getting first error. Then object-oriented. What is object-oriented? Object-oriented means we write the program on the basis of class and object rather than function and logic. Then high-level. High-level means human understandable language. After that, we discussed about features of Python, in which beginner friendly, easy to learn, open source, platform independent means we can run the program anywhere. After that, dynamic semantics. Dynamic semantic means it checks the behavior of your code at running time. Then extensive libraries. Libraries means it contains pre-module, it contains collection of pre-written code. After that, GUI programming support. Then applications of Python. Data analysis, data visualization, game development, desktop application, robotics, artificial intelligence, machine learning. These all are the applications of Python. I hope you all understood what we discussed today. If you like this lecture, then subscribe to our channel, like the video and comment. Thank you.